Hello viewers, a lot of users are facing problem after updating to the latest version of iPadOS 26.2.1. As you can see here, my iPad 10th generation is running on iPadOS 26.2.1 and I am getting excellent battery life actually, and there is no problem. Let me show you the battery life. As you can see here, today I have charged it up to 100% and now you can see the battery life is 81% and I have used the screen for about 2 hours and 7 minutes, 2 hours 20 minutes actually, and you can see that I have used mostly YouTube, and after using for 2 hours plus, yet only 19% battery has been drained, and so you can expect a battery life of around 10 hours on a single charge. That is incredible. Many users are complaining that whenever they are using YouTube, they are facing problem in YouTube and YouTube video actually crashed, and so they cannot continue watching videos on their YouTube. But there is no such issue on my unit. After updating to the latest version, I am having an excellent battery life, excellent performance, and multitasking is top notch. As you can see here, many folders, many apps are running in the background, yet there is no problem with this unit. So I am editing videos on iPad 10th generation. There is no problem whatsoever in rendering 4K 60 fps videos. So if you are facing any kind of problem in the latest version, you can do two things. Either you can format your device or you can wait for another update. That update might fix the bug if there is any bug inside your iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation. In the conclusion, there is no problem with the screen flickering issue or battery life or battery drainage issue or with the multitasking. This is a very good update, I would say. So let me know your thoughts regarding this update. Have you faced any kind of problem with this update or not? Comments will be highly appreciated. So like the video, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.